Brothers, welcome back. And today, inshallah, for the continuation of our Arabic lessons, inshallah. And of course, don't forget the chapters from the Quran that are required for you to memorize and to recite them properly, inshallah. Can you please remind me of those? Oh, mashallah. Jazakallah khair. MashaAllah, Jazakallah khairan. Can you please remind me of those chapters that are required for you to memorize? First is Surah Al-Fatiha, very good. Surah Al-Ikhlas, Qul huwallahu ahad. Surah Al-Nas, Qul a'udhu birabbil nas. Surah Al-Falaq, Qul a'udhu birabbil falaq. Surah Al-Masad, Tabbat yada abi labi wa tab. Al-Fil. I think that's all. Until Masad, I think. Huh? Yeah, Nas. Great. Okay. So this coming Saturday, I want reporting on that chapters, inshallah. All of you, I want you to come to this room with memorized chapters. All right? Surah Al-Fatiha, Al-Nas, Al-Falaq, Al-Ikhlas, Al-Masad. 5. Only 5. All right? Only 5. Then, if you have questions, just make your hand like this. Call me. Call me, okay? Great. Okay, so for our Arabic lessons, the book name is هداية الصبيان إلى طريق تلاوة القرآن. MashaAllah. This is your way to learn how to read the Quran. All right? Now, in our lesson 15, that was lesson 15, 14, okay? What we got from our lesson 14? Our lesson 14, Al-Huruf Al-Qamariyah. Just pardon my writing, okay? Al-Huruf Al-Qamariyah. Al-Huruf Al-Qamariyah. All right. So, we have Al-Huruf, the letters. Al-Qamariyah. Al-Qamar, literally in Arabic, Al-Qamar, that means moon. Yes. So, we are talking about the moon letters. And then, in lesson number 15, that was about Ash-Shadda. All right? I'm just giving you a little bit revision. Ash-Shaddatu. And then 16, lesson number 16, 15 Ash-Shadda, 16 Al-Huruf Ash. Can you tell me? Ash. Nobody said? Ash-Shamsiyah. All right. Al-Hurufu Shamsiyatu. Al-Hurufu Shamsiyatu. All right. So, take it. Bro, you can come here closer if you like. No, not you, this brother, because he's filming. Karim. Because he is filming, so for the others to benefit, inshallah. Are you sure? Because the sound, it will not come. Anyway, that's iPhone. Oh, welcome, sir. Welcome po. All right. Okay. So a little bit revision before going to our lesson number 17. All right? 14, 15, 16, 17. So, in Al-Huruf Al-Qamariyah, we are talking about the Lam Ash-Shamsiyah and Al-Qamariyah. Ash-Shamsiyah and Al-Qamariyah, right? So, we are talking about Lam. What is the function of this Lam? When it comes to Al-Huruf Al-Qamariyah, moon letters, and what is the function of Lam when it comes to Al-Huruf Ash-Shamsiyah or sun letters. Okay? So, and Shadda, it is very easy. A Shadda symbol is just like a little bird on the top of any consonant letter from the Arabic alphabet. Example, this Shin has Shadda. So we say Ash, Ash. Then the Dal having Shadda. So you need to double the consonant letter Shin. You need to double the consonant letter Dal. Ash, Shadda. And then Ta marbuta on with Dhamma 2. Ash-Shadda 2. Ash-Shadda 2. So you doubled the consonant Shin, you doubled the consonant Dal. For the newcomers, just sound, what do you call that? Dance with the music. All right. Okay. So now, how you know that the letter will belong to the letters of San letters or Al-Huruf Al-Qamariyah, or the letter, the consonant letter, we're talking about consonant, okay? The consonant letter belong to the letters of San letters. How you will know them? How you will know them? All right, look at here. This here, Al-Qamariyah letters, okay? Al-Qamariyah. Al-Qamariyah. Okay. And here, Ash-Shamsiyah. Ash-Shamsiyah. All right. Number one, how we identify the consonant letters if they are under moon letters or sun letters. Moon letters or sun letters. Number one, we need to segregate the moon letters and the sun letters from the Arabic alphabet. Okay? And when it comes to Al-Qamariyah and Ash-Shamsiyah, all of the letters from Alif to Ya are consonant letters. All right? So meaning, number one, you take note, number one, we consider that all of the letters from Arabic alphabet are consonant letters and not long vowels. All right? From Alif to Ya, consonant letters, and three of the letters can be used as a consonant letters and long vowel letters. And we are going to that lesson today, inshallah. I mean, something different from long vowels. But they are talking about the long vowels with shifted long vowels. All right. And those three letters are Alif to prolong A, Waw to prolong U, and Ya to prolong E. Clear? That's number one. When you hear the lesson about الحروف القمرية, the sun letters. Sorry, the moon letters, القمرية. الحروف الشمسية, the sun letters. All of those are consonant letters. Okay? Now, we are now going to divide the letters. Letters for Al-Qamariyah and letters for Ash-Shamsiyah. So, when we divide them, how many letters that the Arabic alphabet has? 38? 38, yes. 38? Yes, 38. 38 minus 10. All right. 28, right? Who said 30?
I said
You said 30. Who said 29? Nobody. 28. 28. If I'm your teacher, I will make it all correct. 29, correct. 30 also is correct. 28, 29, 30, correct. But when it comes to division of the letters between Al-Qamariyah and Shamsiyah, the letters are only 28. All right? Not ta marbuta. The Hamza and the Lam Alif. All right? This one, this one, and this one. So 29, 30. So remove this one, became 29. And remove this one, became 28. So now we divide how many letters for Al-Qamariyah? 14 letters. How many letters for Ash-Shamsiyah? 14 letters. That's number 2. Okay? First, all of the letters are consonant for the Al-Qamariyah and Shamsiyah letters. Number 2, we divided the letters, and then we found out that the Arabic alphabet has 28 letters. Then it is divided into 2 divisions, and then the letters became 14 for the Al-Qamariyah and 14 for Ash-Shamsiyah. 14 or 16? 14. Hamoudi. 16? MashaAllah. All right. Now, when I say the letter, tell me if it is under Al-Qamariyah letter or Ash-Shamsiyah letter. Okay? Remember the words. Remember the words. Al-Huruf al-Qamariyah, Al-Qamariyah, moon, Ash-Shamsiyah, sun. All right. Just tell me if it is Al-Qamariyah, say the word, okay? Or Ash-Shamsiyah. Okay. Example. If I will say the consonant letter Alif, what you will say? Al-Qamariyah, if it is Al-Qamariyah. Ash-Shamsiyah, if it is Ash-Shamsiyah. All right, great. Okay, the first letter of the Arabic alphabet is Alif. Al-Qamariyah or Ash-Shamsiyah? Al-Qamariyah. All right, 1. Alif. I'm putting the Hamza on the top because if I will remove Hamza, that is not a consonant. That will be long vowel. Okay, so I put Hamza on the top. Ba. Santa Maria. Santa Maria, puno ng disgrasya. Sorry, joke. Santa Cruz, joke. All right. Ba is Al-Qamariyah. I don't want to hear moon. I want to hear the Arabic. Al-Qamariyah. What's the next letter? Ta. Very good. Ash-Shamsiyah. Next. Tha. Ash-Shamsiyah. Very good. Ash-Shamsiyah. Next letter. Jim. Jim, sah? Jim. Santa Maria. Al-Qamariyah. Jim. Next. Ha. Al-Qamariyah. Next. Khalid. Kha. Al-Qamariyah or Ash-Shamsiyah? Al-Qamariyah. Kha. Then next. Dal. الديك. ها؟ الشمسية. دال. next. دال. الذيل. القمرية أو الشمسية؟ الشمسية. دال. next. راء. الرزق. الرحمن. الشمسية. tell me. next. زاي or زين. الشمسية. ها? what's the example of زاي؟ ها؟ very good. الزيتون. أحسن يا حمودي، ما شاء الله عليك. الزيتون. so that is الشمسية. what's the next after زين؟ ها؟ دال راء زي سين. very good. سين. الشمسية القمرية؟ الشمسية. سين. next. شين. الشمس. see القمرية. الشمسية. شين. الشمسية. شين. next. سين. شين. صاد. القمرية. شمسية. شمسية. صاد. next. ضاد. القمرية. الشمسية. القمرية. how you say the سورة الضحى؟ والضحى. ضاد. والضحى. so الشمسية. alright. next. صاد. ضاد. طاء. الشمسية القمرية. الشمسية. طاء. next. ظاء. الظالم. الظلم. ظاء. الشمسية القمرية. الشمسية. great. next. عين. القمرية. الشمسية. القمرية. عين. غين. القمرية. فاء. قاف. كاف. لام. alright. لام. الشمسية. next. ميم. نون. okay. الشمسية. نون. واو. القمرية. هاء. القمرية. ياء. القمرية. what else؟ Hamza. Hamza is already here. The alif. all right, everybody, brothers, count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. correct. الشمسية. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. correct. Alhamdulillah. I was thinking that maybe I got wrong. MashaAllah. All right. Sorry. Okay. Now, everybody say the letters after me. Letters of Al-Qamariyah. Everybody say after me. Alif. Alif. Al-A. Al-U. Al-I. All right, that's the number 3 things how we identify the letters if it is Al-Qamariyah or Ashamsiyah. That means in Al-Qamariyah, you are clearly pronouncing, uttering the letter Lam. The letter Lam. Al, right? Al-A. Clear? Next. Ba. The name of the letter is Ba. Great. Al-Ba. Al-Bu. Al-Bi. Letter Lam, pronounce or no? Yes. Pronounce. Next letter. Jim. Jim. Al-Ja. Al-Ju. Al-Ji. G. G. Great. Next letter. Ha. Ha. Al ha. Al hu. Al hi. Ha. Great. Ha. Ha. Al ha. Al hu. Al khi. Kha. Ain. Al a. Al u. Al i. Ain. Ghain. Ghain. Al gha. Al ghu. Al ghi. Fa. Fa. Al fa. Al fu. Al fi. Fa. Qaf. Qaf. Al qa. Al qu. Al qi. Great. Qaf. Kaf. Kaf. Al ka. Al ku. Al ki. Kaf. Mim. Mim. Al ma. Al mu. Al mi. Mim. Wow. Wow. Al wa. Al wu. Al wi. Wow. Ha. Ha. Al ha. Al hu. Al hi. Ha. Ya. Ya. Al ya. Al yu. Al yi. Ya. All right. So we just demonstrated the letters of Al-Qamariyah, how to pronounce the letters with lam, that the lam will be uttered after or before the letters of the Al-Qamariyah. So we also said by using short vowel, al-a, al-ba, because if we prolong al-ba, that is prolongation alif, right? Al-bu, there's prolongation waw. Al-bi, there's prolongation. Yeah, that's clear for you. Now, that's number 3, identification, how to identify the Al-Qamariyah letters. And then, in the case of Ash-Shamsiyah, now, Ash-Shamsiyah letters, the alif and lam will be here. The next letter will be always having shadda. Shadda, do you remember shadda? So, in this case, the lam is here. If Al-Qamariyah letter, the lam will be uttered clearly. The Ash-Shamsiyah letters will be completely opposite. The lam will not be uttered, not pronounced. From saying direct to the next letter. Direct to the next letter with shadda. All right? So, the first letter from the Ash-Shamsiyah letters, what letter is this? ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف حرف تا. Very good. So, okay, how you say it? Ta. Atta. Attu. Atti. Kuya. Astagfirullah. Atti and kuya. All right. ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف حرف ثا. Say after me. ثا. أثا. أثو. أثي. ثا. ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف حرف دال. Say it again. دال. All right. أدى. أدو. Addi. All right. So meaning all of the consonant letters will be having shadda. All right. All of them. Okay. Next. ما هذا الحرف؟ ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف حرف ذال. Say again. ذال. Great. Okay. أد. أدو. أدي. Great. ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف حرف را. Again. ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف. Again. هذا الحرف حرف را. Okay. What's the meaning of that? ما هذا الحرف? What letter is it? This letter is هذا الحرف حرف را. This letter is letter را. هذا الحرف. This letter is حرف letter را. Okay? Now, را. الرا. الرو. الري. را. ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف حرف زي. زا or زي, it's fine. Okay. الزا. الزو. الزي. Great. زي. Great. ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف حرف سين. Everybody participates for you to learn inshallah. Okay. سين. أسا. أسو. أسي. سين. ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف حرف شين. أشا. أشو. أشي. شين. ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف صاد. Don't make me sad, brothers. Happy. All right. صاد. أصا. أصو. أصي. صاد. ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف حرف ضاد. Very good. عض. عضو. عضي. ضاد. ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف حرف طاء. عطا. عطو. عطي. طاء. ما هذا الحرف؟ هذا الحرف ضاء. Once more. ضاء. All right. عض. عضو. عضي. ضاء. ما هذا الحرف؟ Very good. ما شاء الله. All right. ألا. ألو. ألي. لام. ما هذا الحرف؟ نون. أن. أنو. أني. نون. أحسنتم. طيب. Now we differentiate between the Al-Qamariya letters and Ash-Shamsiya letters. So we found out the 14 letters of Al-Qamariya and the 14 letters of Ash-Shamsiya. So now that is your assignment to memorize them. Okay? So remember, for Al-Qamariya, lam clearly uttered, pronounced. Ash-Shamsiya, lam cannot be pronounced. All right? Clear. What else? What else? How we identify that the letter under or belong to the letters of Al-Qamariya or belong to the letters of Ash-Shamsiya? What else? Jaburi.
To identify if they are Qamariya or Shamsiya, we will check if the L, the lam makes sound when you pronounce the letter.
Very good. So if the lam is pronounced, that is under Shamsiya letters, correct? Huh? Al-Qamariyah. Ahsant. Very good. Okay. If the lam not pronounced, it is Shamsiya. And then, very good. Anybody else? Ahsant. Lam pronounced for Al-Qamariyah, lam not pronounced for Ash-Shamsiyah. What else? Ahsant ya Muhammad Hassan. Al-Qamariyah, no shadda. Ash-Shamsiyah with shadda. Ahsantum. What else? What else? Khalas? Let's go home. Ad-Dars, page number 37. Number 37. And this lesson, what number? Ad-Dars? Ad-Dars Sabi'a Ashar. Alright. Ad-Dars Sabi'u Ashar. As-Sabi' from the word Sab'a. What is Sab'a? Seven. Ashar. 10. As-Sabi' Ashar. 7, 10. 7 and 10. Right? As-Sabi is 7, right? Ashar is 10. As-Sabi' Ashar is 7, 10. Am I wrong? Sir Anand, correct, right? 7 and 10? 7, 10. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Sir Jalaluddin, you're learning Arabic, huh? Slowly. See, I translated correctly. As-Sabi' is 7th. Ashar is 10. So translate into English is 7, 10. 17. Right. 17. Habib, 7, 10 or 17? 17. All right. You don't agree with me. I am the one teaching you, but you don't agree with me. So I'm wrong. Muhammad Ali. Huh?
We could argue because in English, right, pure English, the E is pronounced as A or sound transcription.
All right.
All right. So when you say 10,
All right.
7, 10.
All right.
In English, very correct. In pure English, 7, 10.
Yes.
Is very correct.
Correct.
But 17.
Okay. So how come it became 17?
Now, in sound transcription, right, that's what we're saying. In BBC sound transcription,
All right.
the AE sound is not pronounced as E, it's pronounced as A.
All right.
So 10, 17.
Okay.
So 7, 10 is correct.
So thank you very much. Okay.
We're used to 17.
So we have here our English professor, so he defends for me.
Yeah, for clarity, some people pronounce the word market.
Okay.
In English, they say market.
Yes.
Pocket.
Yes.
It's wrong pronunciation.
It's pocket.
It's pocket.
Yeah.
Pocket. Pocket.
Great.
Right? In English, pure English, it's called pocket. Market.
Okay. Can you consider both correct?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. That is more easier, huh? Okay. All right. So now, that is English. Let's go back to the Arabic. Okay. Now, Shabab, Ikhwani, my brothers. في الدرس السابع عشر, in lesson number 17, what do we have here? What do you think? What could you understand from what the book showing to you in page 37? ها؟ في صفحة 37. What is that all about? Asr Anand, what do you think? Sukun is there. Where can you find the sukun?
I didn't remember, but
I can see that in your mind. I know it is in your mind, but you are hesitating. The sukun is there, yes. And you can find the sukun where? Where's the sukun? Huh?
He will get very angry. Talking to Anand will get very angry.
Nah, Anan is my brother.
No, he will get very angry. You have to be very careful.
Brother Anand, I love you for the sake of Allah. Defense mechanism. Okay, I will read for you. دلالة وضع علامة الدائرة المفرغة على حرف مد. Did you hear the word mad? Mad. Mad. Maddun bil alif. Maddun bil waw. Maddun bil ya. I. I. And what the text saying to you? It says دلالة وضع علامة الدائرة. It is putting the symbol of circle. Aha. In Arabic, when we say circle, we call that dal fatha'a alif. How you say it? How you read? Da, and then hamza is here with kasra. Da'i. Then ra fatha'a da'ira. Then ta marbuta is here. Tanwin dhammatun. Da'iratun. When we say da'ira in Arabic, that is what we call in English circle. That's why when you're driving a car, many of you here driving car. Yusuf, are you driving? You will drive soon, inshallah. Very good. So when you reach that circle, that is what we call
Roundabout.
Yeah, correct. Sir Jalaluddin, are you agree? Yes, very good. Roundabout. Roundabout. La 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 la. Roundabout. Roundabout. In our country, we don't call that roundabout. We call that round ball.
Round ball.
Ball.
But we all stick to the British people.
Yeah, roundabout. All right, very good, Sir Habib. Roundabout. Okay, what is that in Arabic? Ah,
Door. Door.
huh? Daur? Almost. Ah, Karim. Clock roundabout. How you say in Arabic? Clock. The clock is circle, and then the roundabout is also circle. Okay, clock roundabout. How you say in Arabic? In Arabic. In Arabic. Clock roundabout. In Arabic. I know you know that because you can hear it always. You can hear that always here. Jaburi, tell me. In Arabic. Clock roundabout. Clock roundabout in Arabic, what? Clock. Wall clock. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, rock. Rock and roll. Huh?
iPhone.
Jaburi. Dawar. In Arabic, clock is as-sa'a. ساعة. كم الساعة كم الساعة الآن؟ صح؟ دوار. You remember now. دوار الساعة. دوار الساعة. The clock roundabout. All right. So the word da'ira, that means round. Okay? That's why I can hear also from the Kabayans, they're saying, let's go, dawar dawar. Let's go, dawar dawar, right? Yalla, yalla ya akhuy, dawar dawar. Yalla ya akhuy, dawar dawar, صح? Yalla namshi dawar dawar. That means rounding, rounding. Rounding, rounding, dawar dawar. Okay, so now let's go on to our lesson. We do dawar dawar, inshallah. Okay, so this small circle المفرغة على حرف مد على حرف مد. So Anan, that is the thing. You can see the small circle on the top of the prolongation letters. This is the letter prolongation alif. The circles on the top. Prolongation waw, the circles on the top. Prolongation ya, the circles on the top. What is that sign all about? Yes, sir Anand.
It is all long vowels, right? Before.
Ah?
It's a long vowel, right?
Yes, it is long vowel. Correct. Excellent. So when any letter here before the long vowel alif, the consonant letter here will be having fatha a, triple long a, ba, ta. Correct. And for the waw, bamma u, bu, tu, until you, because me is here. Onya. Right? Then for ya is kasra i, b, t, me. That's it. Now the question here, what this small circle on the top of the long vowel a, on the top of the long vowel u, and the top of long vowel e doing there? What that small circle doing on the top of the prolongation letter? This is what we are going to study today. In the Quran, what the book says? Hidayat الصبيان إلى طريق, to the way, to the path of تلاوة القرآن, reading the Quran. And we are reading the Quran, and this is one of the guides, Hidayah, guides that this lesson giving us. When we open the Quran, Arabic text Quran, you will find them in the Quran, and this thing will not make you mistake when you read that places in the Quran. Okay? Are you ready for that? Let's go. Dawar dawar. Okay. إذا وضعت علامة الدائرة المفرغة هكذا, when this symbol of small circle written like this على أحرف المد الثلاثة المجموعة في كلمة آتوني, on the top of the three prolongation letters, that the three letters combined in a word, Atuni. A, tu, ni. Why Atuni? This is the prolongation. 1 second. Where is the... okay. Prolongation alif. Tu, prolongation waw. Ni, prolongation ya. All right. Atuni. Atuni. Okay. So now, happened that فإن ذلك يدل على زيادة ذلك الحرف وعاد من نطق به, and that is telling us about the additional letter in a particular word that has small dairah circle on the top of the prolongation letters. And for that it says وَعَدَ مِن نُطْقِ بِهِ. Adam nutqi, that means it will tell you not to pronounce it. To make it more clearer, listen to this. Not to pronounce it, that means if this prolongation alif having small circle on the top, you don't prolong as ah. Don't prolong as ah. That means it is already silent prolongation. If the small circle on the waw don't prolong as two, but only two, like dhamma. Ah, like fatha. Two, like dhamma. Don't prolong. Two. And then, on the top of ya prolongation, ni, don't prolong. Ni, but you just apply kasra I, ni. Short vowel. This is the function of the daira, small circle, on the top of the prolongation letters. Let's go. Now, look at here. زيادة حرف الألف. زيادة حرف الألف. All right. Examples. Where right here now? Okay, now here. Alif, fatha, a. How you read? Ah. All right. Nun, fatha, a. With prolongation alif? Nah. But happen, daira, small circle on the top is there. How you read? Ana. Ana. So now it prevents you to prolong ana. So say ana. Okay. Next, make it more clearer. This letter is mim. Mim. Mim kasra I, mi. And then happen that there is alif here. On the top of that alif is daira. Circle, small circle. And then here is hamza fathah. How you read? Mi'ah. And then ta marbuta with tanwin dhammatun. So you say mi'atun. In this case, the mim is in kasra. So we are not able to prolong on ma. We can say ma. But it shows us that the alif here is silent. Silent alif. This alif is just a kind of decoration in that word. So alif is included to the spelling, but cannot be pronounced. We don't read it. So we say mi'ah. Mi'ah. Mi'atun. What is the meaning of mi'atun? Huh? Anta nak tulus mi'ah? Anta nak mi'ah? Oh, mi'atin?
It means 100.
100. Mi'ah.
Or there's different meaning, like percentage.
Percentage? Mi'ah bil mi'ah. You forgot. Tell me later. Okay.
We just add long vowels for that pronunciation to expand, right?
Yes. Originally, the prolongation vowels is to prolong, to expand. Yes, to extend. And then
Why we again we put the
they made it silent. Why? They made it silent. Because that is the original Arabic words. Okay, we are going to show you more here. Okay.
Only these three letters of other word is silent. Only for those three letters.
In Arabic, we are only having very clear prolongation of three letters. And there is no other prolongation symbols except this.
And this, not to pronounce, this cycle is only for the these three words.
Yes. Only these three letters, prolongation, alif, waw, and ya.
This is also the cycle.
Letter. That is different one. That is sukun. There is sukun on a consonant letter. This is sukun on a prolongation letter. That's the difference. Yes.
In the Quran, whenever the long vowels is coming,
You prolong.
that location
Yes.
only we have to.
Yes.
pronounce
Whenever the prolongation is there, you prolong.
Unless we don't want to.
Otherwise, don't prolong. Ah, very good, sir. So when you see this, don't prolong. Okay, we are going to give more example.
This sign is on the other. What is sukun?
There is difference between the sukun on a consonant letter, sukun on consonant letter, like for example, ad-darsu, ra is on sukun. That is consonant letter. And this one is long vowel letter with this like sukun, similar to sukun. Similar to sukun. So if sukun on the consonant letter, making the letter vowel-less consonant letter, and then this symbol also, the small circle on the top of the long vowel, either long vowel alif, waw, or ya, that means making it similar to sukun, making it silent. Okay? So, but in this case, you don't pronounce the alif, you don't pronounce the waw, you don't pronounce the ya. Because in consonant letter sukun, you are still pronouncing the letter. Depends if it is idhar or ikhfa or something else. That is different cases in Arabic Tajweed. We're going to study that later, inshallah. That's a bit like a little bit higher. Okay, I want to show you another example. Do you have Quran with you? I wanted to have with the Quran.
I have an app, Quran.
At least, I don't know if it is having at the back. It's nothing, I think. It's nothing. You don't have. Okay. In your apps, Quran apps in your mobiles. Bismillah. Okay. Okay. In Surah Al-Baqarah, it's very it's in black, ya akhi. Can you make it more? Yeah, white. Okay, in Surah Al-Baqarah, no, it's very far already. It is only in verse number. Is it 5? Yes, 5. 5. أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. All right. Okay. Now I want to show you this. Okay. It is written like this. Hamza qata. Dhamma, how you read? U. This is prolongation, wow, with circle on that wow, and then it is written like this. I'm just following how the Quran written. Okay. Ula, then Hamza is here. Okay, like that. It is written like this. Okay. Jazakallah khair, brother Muhammad Ali. Okay. So, supposed to be, how we read it? Ula. We need to prolong. Hamza qata' ma'a dhamma u. You read as u with prolongation wow. How you say it? U. But that is wrong. Why? Because there is small circle on the top of the wow. So instead of prolonging u, you don't prolong. You just say the short vowel u, then go directly to la. So how we read it? Ulaika. So don't say ulaika. Don't say that. Okay? So we say ula, no prolongation at all. This as if nothing. Right? So we say أولئك على هدى من ربهم. And then it continued the same, similar to this, with واو. وأولئك وأولئك هم المفلحون. Right? أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. Correct? Okay, very good. So let us continue. Okay. And it is also applicable usually or mostly applicable in Hamzat al-Wasl. Hamzat al-Wasl. Okay, look at here, brothers. What is the difference between Hamzat al-Wasl? Take the word, okay? Hamzatu qata. Hamzat qata and Hamzat wasl. Okay. Hamzat qata, the Hamza, either this Hamza or alif with Hamza on the top, or alif with Hamza down, or waw with Hamza on the top, or alif maksura, either here or here. Okay, you will find that in the Quran. This the Hamza qata. Okay, Hamzat al-Wasl, clear alif that has small circle on the top. Okay, this is Hamzat Wasl. So in this case, mostly applicable with Hamzat Wasl. Okay, so the example of that are many here. Okay, I think we don't need to write, but look at your copy. So we say here, Fallahu, fa, then alif wasl, Hamzat wasl. Then you can see that Hamzat wasl has a small circle on the top, so we don't prolong. Fallahu. So we don't say Fallahu, but we say Fallahu. All right. Next, ba, then Hamzat wasl, then lam, bil. All right. Then the rest was sama. Say after me. والسماء والظالمون فالتاليات والذاكرين. All right. Okay. Another examples. Okay, this one here. This one here. The first page, 37. Okay. It is written alif fatha, then fa, hamza here, afa, e, then there is ya here, then sukun, and look at here. This ya having circle. So instead of saying afa'in, because this prolongation, right? So because of this circle on the top, you don't prolong here. Don't say afa'in. You say afa'in. Okay. Kafain. Huh? Coffee. All right. Okay. Also, in the Quran, You can also read the word then there's small sin here. Sukun. Alright. Or circle. How you read this? Mim fatha'a, ma, lam fatha'a, la, hamza, i. How you read? Mala'i. And then prolongation ya. Mala'i. Then ha kasra. Mala'ihi. Now, because of this circle, there's something in our language is different. That's why he's laughing. All right. Okay. 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 Now, instead of saying mala'i, prolongation, right? So we don't prolong because of this. Mala'ihi. Mala'ihi. So when you see this in the Quran, see these Quran words actually. This one you can prolong. Mala'ihi. So here no prolongation. Okay? Clear. And also you can find in the Quran Hamza, Dhamma'u, Waw, and then Lam, Dhamma'u, and then here is circle, and also on Waw is circle. Okay. Originally, we're supposed to be reading as Ulu, right? U because of Waw, Lu because of Waw, Ulu. But because of this circle, we don't say U, but we say Ulu. Ulu. Yeah. Correct. Okay, very good. And many examples that you can find in this lesson. Okay. In page 38, what time is it?
It's 10 to 18.
10:18? Time is up or not yet? Okay. 38. Page 38.
It's 10.
Okay. Here, naba'u, there is Hamzat Wasl. Alif with circle on the top, so no prolongation. We say here, naba'un. Naba'un. Sa utang. In Arabic, naba'un is a news. In Juz' Amma, in Surah is that? Surah An-Naba, صح? Surah An-Naba. An-Naba, naba'un. What is the meaning of An-Naba? عما يتساءلون عن النبأ العظيم الذي هم فيه مختلفون. Right? عن النبأ العظيم. An-Naba is a great news.
During the class time, don't allow to come outside. Because that guy took a twice time outside.
Who's that?
That Hamoudi. Oh.
Hamoudi. Okay, inshallah. Okay. And Naba is news. Okay? Naba. Next. Samuda. Samuda. Instead of prolongation on the alif having circle on the top, so don't prolong. Samuda. Samuda. No prolongation. Then lakinna. That's supposed to be lakinna. Prolongation alif, but because of that circle on top of alif, we don't prolong. lakinna. Okay, so that prolong. Next, lan nad'wa. No prolongation on wa. Lan nad'wa. Okay, no prolongation. Here, that's supposed to be ya prolongation alif ya, right? Ya as on ya, but you say yay as, as, yay as. All right. Next, ya ba'u. Okay, also no prolongation, but the alif is there with circle. Liyabaluwa. So there's not applicable for prolongation. Liyabaluwa, no. Liyabaluwa. Then salasila. So supposed to be that is salasila. Prolongation, right? But because of that circle on the top of alif, then we say salasila. Okay. Next. La adbahanna. So that's supposed to be there is prolongation alif. La adbahanna. Okay, so in the case of alif, there is sukun or circle on the top of alif. So we don't say la ad. All right, but we say la ad. We don't say la ad, but we say la adbahanna. We go direct to the next letter. Okay, and many of these examples. Okay, so we can maybe read the others. Yansha'u. It's not. Yunasha'u. لأذبحنه أبناء علماء بلاء ulat. So no prolongation on u, right? Because the waw having circle. Instead of saying ulat, so we say ulatu. All right. Amba'u. Okay. So meaning when you see either of the three, alif that has circle on the top, waw that has circle on the top, ya that has circle on the top, that means no prolongation. Okay? Yes, sir. Anand.
Is that all? Sukun like that?
It is only mentioned here, da'ira, and this instruction, they called it alamatud da'ira. Circle symbol.
Circle is like
Alamat al-da'ira.
the circle is like to shorten or to it's like
To shorten. To shorten. To silent. To make it silent. Okay? To make it silent. As if you remove the alif. As if you remove the waw. You remove the ya. The alif, waw, ya is there. Any of them. Either the alif is there. Waw is there. Ya is there. But as if when you read it, remove them.
Only will come on long vowels.
No long vowels. Yes.
On long vowels.
That symbol clearly long vowel. Alif long vowel. Ya long vowel. But when the circle on the top of any one of them, no long vowel. Yes. Okay. So That is our lesson for today. الدرس السابع عشر. Lesson number 17. 17. Alright. Inshallah, we are going to proceed next lesson, inshallah, with your chapters memorized. Al-Fatiha, Al-Nas, Al-Falaq, Al-Ikhlas, and Al-Masad. Inshallah. And then continuing to Ad-Dars al-Thamin Ashar. Ad-Dars al-Thamin Ashar. Al-Thamin is Thamaniyah. That means 8. Ashar is 10. Al-Thamin Ashar, that means in English 8, 10. 8, 10. 8, 10. Al-Thamin is 8. Ashar is 10. 8. Walaikum salam. Sir. MashaAllah. 8, 10. 18. Okay. And that's all for today's class, inshallah. Yes, tell me.
How many terms? It's a normal question. In Arabic, how many terms is there? Like Fatha, Dhamma, Sukun, and like long vowels. So how many terms are there? Like you learn everything.
Those things you mentioned, those are the basic things in learning Arabic. When you learn the consonant letters and the long vowels, then khalas, just with the consonant letters and the long vowel letters, you just add the short vowels, a, I, u, and then you add the sukun and shadda. That's all. And then you just learn what will be the symbols, additional symbols with that prolongations a, prolongations e, or prolongations u, as you saw here. Like for example, this kind of symbol, there is some additionals. So this is alif, prolongation ula, and then there is sign on the top. That is only another lessons to be given to you why that additionals are there. And then you can find out that instead of having 2 counts, ula, 2 counts, right? It will tell you, in this case, it will be having additional counts up to 5 counts. Ulaika. Yes, prolongation. Additional counts in prolongation. Originally, the prolongation a, u, e, only 2 counts. A, u, e, and then in another cases, it will be 4 or 5 or 6 counts prolongations.
It's already mentioned.
Yes, that will be clearly, inshallah, will be explained for you sooner, inshallah. Okay? That's why you can hear the imams in the masajid, sometimes they are prolonging more. أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. Sometimes you can hear like that, right? They are prolonging more. And then muflihun, 6 counts. 6 counts. That is mad arid lis sukun. In that case, like for example, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. You count 6. Alameen. 6. In this case, mad arid lis sukun, when we are going to have that lesson, you will find it out. You will find it out that it is permissible to give 2 counts, or 4 counts, or 6 counts. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Alameen, Alameen. 2, 4, 6 applicable. But in some other cases, you need to prolong. If it is 5, make it 5. Mandatory. Okay? That is what we call in Tajweed mad lazim or mad wajib. They are having 2 different terms but the same meaning, the same application. Mad lazim, lazim, sah? عليك, or mad wajib. And then another term, mad jaiz. Mad jaiz, that means yajuz, permissible. Permissible for you to prolong up to 2 counts, permissible for you to prolong up to 4 counts, permissible for you to prolong up to 5 or 6 counts. Hamoudi, warning for you. Come here, come here. Okay, like for example, in Surah Al-Kafirun, Qul ya, right? Sometimes you will hear that 2 counts. Qul ya ayyuhal kafirun, right? Then sometimes you will hear Qul ya ayyuhal kafirun. Prolongation up to 5 counts. Those 2 way of recitation are correct. That is what we call mad jaiz, a permissible prolongation. Permissible for you to prolong 2 counts, permissible for you to prolong 5 counts. And we are going to explain for you next time, inshallah, why this part can be prolonged mandatorily for 5 counts, and this one can be prolonged 2 or 5 counts permissible. Why? And this can be prolonged 2 counts, 4 counts, or 6 counts. Why? That will be in another lessons, inshallah. Okay? No more questions, clarifications. Everybody, everything is clear. The brain is clear. Nothing inside it clear. No more questions, clarifications, suggestions, multiplications, subtractions, consumations. I want the commission. Commission, he said. Commission. All right, that's all for today's lesson. Brother, shukran wa jazakumullah kulla khair wa subhanallah bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.